Talking to the Lightning Round, that's Ralph Horseman, Jim is talking about buy, sell, just regarding the course, stock questions at a time. My staff prepares the graph for so reply. We plan this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Skeet that town, Lightning Round, let's go over Sam in Texas. Sam.
Jimmy Tail, what's happening?
You tell me, Sam, I'm all yours.
All right, I got a stock that's fallen out of favor recently over some bad news. I wanted to get your opinion on if the current price is a good entry point for Marvell.
I think Marvell is right to be bought here. I think Matt Murphy did a fantastic job. There was one little glitch involving one customer, and it wasn't life or death. This level at $60 is a... All right, now we're going to Kale in Arizona. Kale.
Jim, I'm Kale. I'm 21 years old from Arizona. Been watching with my dad since before I could walk. Quick question for you. Is Lucid Motors a long-term play? What do you think? Or are we just in an EV bubble? Or are we just...
You're 21. You're 21. Let's put our money with something that is going to make a little more sense than Lucid. I think that if you wanted to be in that area, if you wanted to be in that kind of progressive area, you might go with Rivian, okay? I think Rivian is better than Lucid. Bingo. Now we're going to go to Matt, who is in Florida. Matt.
Hey, Jim. How you doing?
Matt, I am doing excellently. How about you? Thank you for asking.
I'm the same. Life is good. Thank you.
I like that. I like that positive attitude.
You got it, man. I've been listening to you for a while now, and as you've said many times, I'm in this for the long haul.
Good.
I recently bought into a stock that has a lot of hype around it, and now I'm up in the green. They reported strong earnings yesterday, and I want to know if this is something I should hold this stock for the long haul or dump it and run while I can. And this stock, Jim, is Pony AI.
It had great revenues. I mean, I would have told you, let's swap out of that and go into Tesla. But you know what? You can ride it. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking? Oh, he's done. This is a young person's stock. An older person's stock will want Tesla, okay? Because it's not clear to me that this company's sustainable. But that's a nice call by that gentleman. Let's go to Hayden in Maryland. Hayden.
Hey, Jim. How you doing?
I am doing really spectacular at this very moment. How about you?
Pretty good, pretty good. First, I want to give a shout out to Mr. Mark's business class, and I'm wondering what you think of Pan American Silver Corporation.
Well, first, I want to give the same shout out because that business class is dynamite. I happen to like silver very much, and from the old days, I remember from Bill Flexing, Pan American Silver is the best silver mine. So I think you got something going there. I'm with you and that business class. Let's go to Mike in Illinois. Mike.
Hey, Jim. I'm accumulating position in a cloud-based platform for medical professionals and physicians with tools across 50 states. Reported earnings last week, $570 million for the year. Subscription revenues, $543 million, up 21%. And it proceeded to tank after earnings on weak guidance. What's your opinion on Doximity, DOCS?
Mike, that was a bad miss. That was a bad miss. And that's a high-growth company that had just been building up a head of steam, and I cannot recommend that company because that was an unfathomable miss, frankly, and I feel very badly about saying that, but I was quite surprised. I cannot get behind that. I want to go to Ian in Florida. Ian.
Booyah, Jim. How you doing?
Ian, best day ever. How about you?
Yeah, not bad.
Well, I always feel good. I will say I always feel good after my conference call from the club because the club is very important to me. So there's 12 best days every year. So go ahead. I'm sorry.
That's true. I'm actually part of the club, so thank you, Jim. I appreciate what you do.
Thank you.
Jim, I had a question about a semiconductor that I bought it in April in the low 60s when it was still pretty low. And it's been going well for the most part, but it's getting a bit toppy, I think. I'm not sure. What do you think about sticking with Micron here?
I think it is getting a little toppy. I think the market's getting a little toppy, and Micron's going to go with it. Now, it went down to 66. I think it could go down to 80 without a problem, and then you'll probably want to buy it again. But I sense that there is a trade here, not an investment for the moment, and you need to do a little. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, is Tesla's CEO back in the driver's seat? Cramer's giving you his biggest takeaways from Elon Musk's CNBC exclusive. next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.